Hello, welcome back. I just had dinner. I made some spaghetti. I just boiled down some tomatoes in a can. And yeah, it wasn't bad. I also did more reading up on this flak bug. Well, not flak. On this og bug. And I found this interesting thread. Not that one. Not that one. This one. And it goes over pretty much the problem is in libsound file, and there's just seeking isn't fixed yet in it. So I'm not sure if we should solve this or not. It's not really something that should hit people anymore. This will only hit Linux folk because they're the only ones that are using a version of Audacity that will use the system library instead of the local. But still, we might want to fix that. Let's see, where was that bug? It was 330, 311 or something. Yeah, this one. So one thing we could do, it's actually the import that's slow. And what we could do is just detect when we have an OGG file. I don't know how that's going to be defined. It's probably, yeah, this guy here. So let's look at wherever this comes from. I expect that to be in libsoundfile.h, but I'm not sure. Let's just take a look. So we're going to go into, is there include? No, source. And just libsoundfile.h. Yeah. So this probably has, where did that stuff go? So let's do a search for mask. Mask. Okay. So SF format AIF. Alright, so here's a list of formats. Note there's already FLAC and OGG. So what we can do is just look for the OGG and bail if we make sure we don't do a copy in. You know what? This problem is still going to exist no matter what. So I'm going to demonstrate that. The one called orig is the, or real. Yeah, so this is where the actual problem is. Let me make sure it's still there. Yeah, so this is aliased file. And this isn't using on demand. I'm going to export now. And we'll do this. Real copy OGG. So this will export using the OGG exporter probably. But it'll probably be very slow. Yeah, this is pretty slow. And it's going to get slower towards the end. Because apparently the bug is that seeking, every time you do a seek, it does a seek from the very beginning. We might be able to get away with this just by not seeking. That could be an enhancer. Yeah, you can see how slow this is getting. So I'm not sure what to do. We could cancel we could just force the libsound file import plugin to what was I about to say? We'll just force it to spit out the OGG format. So somewhere we list which formats libsound file is capable of handling. And that's probably in, what would that be? It's been a while since I've been in this class. Oh, what was that? Yeah. Get stream info, get stream usage, get import plugin. It's probably desk, but I'm not sure. There should be an init call that checks all this stuff. Yeah, let's see. So it's not any of this. This is actual parsing. Huh, I didn't see it. Maybe it's not in here? It really should be uncompressed types. That's what uncompressed types, where we can seek around without worrying about performance. Only worrying about the disk. Yeah, so what do you say we... Well, first let's find out what desk is. Oh, that's not... That's just a string. So the open call is pretty much probably what says what it can handle. Yeah. Would you say that's true? F.detach. So what we could do here is we could have a special case. So file is a libsound file, or is a sound file, SND file, and there's probably some function to query which type it is. Yeah, like get. Well, let's look at that eighth thing, because that will have info format So where does that get filled out? It doesn't appear to get filled out in this. Wait, is that a pointer? That might be a pointer or an array. Have info that format's probably an array. And info. It's an SF info, okay. So where is it filled out? Right when this is opened up. Yeah. So this is the constructor. And at this point, I mean, who knows what that could be. I'm not sure what to do. Let's look at import. Import.cpp. There might be something else in here. Right. Right, import items. Create default import item. No ideas yet. Okay, that was totally a waste of time. So let's look at this open statement. When is the open call called? That's what I'd like to know. Is it called after we have the info? Right here is where we call open. And so at this point, we have the plugin. What function is this? So this is the, yeah, this is the money function. It's pretty long. This is called import. Alright, so yeah. This is if the user's overriding stuff, so there's several cases. Wait. Yeah, we just move stuff around. There are some cases that will be a pain in the ass. For example, let's draw. We'll save that. So we have several types of files, and I'm just going to make them different shapes. So this is wave.